In the western state of Gujarat, the festival of Navratri has begun, and it's time to party. "27,000 people have come to dance. It's a Hindu celebration, but everyone, even Muslims, join in the garba. The dance is a reflection of India's diversity and its tenacity. As the music gets faster and faster, police whistle furiously to keep the dancers moving. If they are able, they'll dance until early morning. But for Muslims like Sharifa Chiba, the Hindu dance is a joy that's been lost forever.
My heart aches during a festival now. Before we used to celebrate together.
Like many in Gujarat's largest city, Ahmedabad, she grew up in a mixed neighborhood.
We shared a common wall with a Hindu family. I was practically raised in that family. We never thought of it as we are Muslim and they are Hindu.
It's the kind of India Gujarat's most famous citizen fought for. But while Gandhi's statue still stands, his ideals have been shattered. On a playing field in central Ahmedabad, the volunteers of the RSS, a fiercely nationalist Hindu group, have gathered. So have the neighbors. Muslims are not welcome. They claim the danger comes not from mythical demons, but real ones. India's 150 million Muslims. The RSS wants to transform India from a secular country into a glorious Hindu nation. The men in khaki are part of one of the most powerful forces in India today. As a new moon heralds Eid, Muslims are worried. They hurry to special prayers under the watchful eyes of police. In their neighborhoods, people are out enjoying the holiday, but fear is never far away. Sharifa's family breaks the fast with a special meal, but the celebration is haunted by the terrible events of 6 years ago. A train carrying Hindu pilgrims caught fire after an alleged attack by Muslims. 58 people died. Hindus took revenge, including the family next door to Sharifa.
Even these people attacked and robbed our houses. I used to take care of their father, and that very same person told me to leave the neighborhood. He told me Muslims had no place there.
Hindu mobs killed over 2,000 Muslims and left more than 200,000 homeless. In 2007, one of the Hindu rioters, Babu Bajrangi, boasted about the killings to an Indian journalist using a hidden camera. Six years after the riots, the Hindu nationalist movement remains a potent force in India. Gujarat is one of several Indian states where they hold political power. And the home of Gandhi has become a divided city with the largest Muslim ghetto in India.
It is easier for adults to forget the riots. But it leaves a lasting impression on the kids. That if they are Muslims, why isn't India for them as well? Is it a sin to be a Muslim? None of us can answer them. Why is there no place for Muslims in India? India is my home, my birthplace, my motherland.
As darkness falls on the RSS gathering, a call to arms against the Muslim enemy is made. Many fear it may only be a matter of time before men like Babu Bajrangi strike again.
हम खिचड़ी कड़ी वाले नहीं है, पनपने नहीं चाहिए। मैं तो आज भी बोलता हूँ, काटने से कुछ मारो, काटो, जला करो।